Welcome to Take a Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset Microsoft Teams. So, at first, what you have to do is just minimize your Microsoft Teams. Then just go to your search bar on Windows and search for Settings. From the best matches, just open up Settings. Then once you're inside Settings, from the left-hand side, you'll find Apps. Just go inside Apps. And after that, you'll find Installed Apps button on the top. Just click on it. And just wait for it to load. And after it loads, you can find Microsoft Teams in this list, or you can just search for it. And after you do find Microsoft Teams, what you have to do is just click on the three-dot icon, which stands for More Options. Then just click on Advanced Options. And after that, if you scroll down a bit, you'll find options like Terminate, Reset, and Reset is exactly what we're looking for. And after that, you just have to click on Reset. If this app isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted, so be careful of that. Just click on Reset. It will ask you for a confirmation again. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preference and sign-in details. If you're okay with it, just click on Reset. Then it will start to reset the app. You just have to give it some seconds, and the reset will be completed. And after it is completed, you'll see a small check over here. And your Microsoft Office will restart at the bottom as well. Then you can just go ahead and open Microsoft Teams and sign into your account again. And that's basically it. And that is how to reset Microsoft Teams. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.